Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to add a dishwasher tablet to a dishwasher. Now this dishwasher needs to go on pretty sharpish once we get Daisy out of the way. Now maybe you've not used a dishwasher before, or you're in a holiday rental or an Airbnb and just want to know how to wash your dishes. Load up the dishwasher with everything that needs to be cleaned, but don't overload it, otherwise you won't get a nice clean wash and you'll still get some dirty plates. I'm actually not very good at loading the dishwasher, so my glamorous assistant is doing this for me, i.e. my wife, and I'll make sure she gets the appropriate percentage of any ad revenue that comes my way. Take your dishwasher tablet, and this goes into this compartment at the front in the door here. Close the compartment, close the door, and then turn on your dishwasher and do a dishwashing program. Now they do take quite a while, dishwashing programs, anywhere between 1 to 3 hours. Which gives me a chance to take Daisy out for a walk, if she'll actually come back inside from the garden. Daisy, come! Whilst I'm waiting for Daisy to come in, there's a link above now about how to keep your dishwasher hygienically fresh. The dishwasher is just doing its washing program. It's now finished. This is 2 hours later, and look at that, absolutely sparkling fresh. There's a link above now about what to do if your dishwasher is not draining water properly. Now Daisy can go back to sunbathing after having a little bit of lunch. Good girl. I think that deserves a lovely cup of tea. Whilst I'm having a cup of tea, on the top left hand side there's a link on how to keep your dishwasher hygienically fresh, and on the top right hand corner how to add salt to your dishwasher, and in the bottom left hand corner how to add rinse aid.